Sixth grade, lesson 7. In the local newspaper, it was reported that scientists found 8 deer in 12 square miles. How many deer do they expect to find in 51 square miles? So 8 deer to 12 square miles. You can simplify this. So divide by both sides by 4. So this turns into 2, this turns into 3. And then 51. To get to 3 to 51, you can multiply by 17. So it's 51, and then you have to do it on both sides. So 2 times 17 is 34. 34 to 51. In Easton Middle School, out of every 5 students in the school, 2 are girls. There are 355 students in the school. What is the total number of girls in Easton Middle School? So 5 out of every 5 students, 2 are girls. And then there is a total of 355. So 355 divided by 5 to and then multiply 2 by 71, which is equal to 142b. An automobile factory produced 300 cars in 6 days. If the factory keeps producing cars at the same rate, how many days will the factory need to produce 400 cars? So 300 by 6 days. You can simplify this by dividing both sides by 3. So turn this into a 100 and then this into a 2. So then to get to 400 cars from 100, you multiply both sides by 4. So 400 times 8. Out of every 8 students in Preston Junior High, 6 students study Spanish. What is the number of students who study Spanish if the total number of students is 320? So right here, we would do 320 divided by 8, which is equal to 40. So to get this part here, you would multiply 40 by 6, and 40 times 6 is equal to 240. At Oven Ready Bakery, the bakery bakes 480 breads in 16 hours. If the bakery keeps baking bread at the same rate, how many breads will it bake in 12 hours? So 480 to 16. You can simplify this by dividing by 4. And then to get to 4 hours to 12, you multiply by 3. So then 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then 4 times 120 is equal to 360. Out of 9 animals at the local zoo, 2 are birds. How many birds are at the zoo if the total number of animals is 81? So 2 out of 9 animals are birds. And then our denominator for the total number is 81. So we know that 9 times 9 is 81. So times 9. And to find the numerator here, we multiply 2 by 9 to get 18. The ratio of boys to girls in Stanton Middle School is 2 to 3. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of boys to girls? So we know that A is incorrect. 2 boys to 3 girls is also incorrect. 2 boys to 6 girls, also incorrect. And then right here, 4 boys to 6 girls, because just both sides are multiplied by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and 6, and then 3 times 2 is 6. For every 6 blue cars there are 4 red cars, and there are 4 red cars in the parking lot. So blue, and then red, 6, 4. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of blue cars to the red cars? A local thrift store sold 15 shirts in 3 hours. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of hours to shirts sold? Okay. So blue cars to red cars is 6 to 4. And then right here, A would be correct. You just divide both sides by 2. Nine. For every 6 horses, there are 8 cows on the farm. 6 horses. Which of the following ratios is equivalent to the ratio of cows to horses? So cows, right here, to horses, which is 6. We know that B is incorrect. We know that A is incorrect. C is incorrect. And then D is 4 to 3, which you just divide both sides by 2 to get 4 and 3. Joshua had 2 incorrect answers for every 8 correct answers on his math test. So incorrect and then correct, 2, 8. Which of the following ratio is equivalent to the ratio of incorrect to correct answers? So divide both sides by 2, and you get 1, 4. And then the rest of these are incorrect.